Welcome to VJ Chemistry. Today we are going to discuss about the organometallic part 4. In part 4 we are going to discuss about 18 electron. Okay. Today we are going to discuss more than 20 important questions on previous year of JAM and CV set in Hyderabad University and Delhi University and TIFR and BH. Okay. First I'll give you a small introduction about what is the 18 electron rule. Why the 18 electron complex more stable in case of transition metal atom. Okay. First take introduction. Please note. In case of transition metal complex, they have metal complex, they containing the valence electron, please, very important, the valence electron of metal, atom, metal plus electron donated by ligand, that is equal to 18. Okay, because 18 is electron is more stable. Why 18 electron more stable mean? Due to what? The closed electronic configuration. For example, in case of transition metal, okay, 4s and 3d and 4p. Okay, and 4s mean you know very well 2 electrons, and 3d mean 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 electron, right? And 4p mean 2, 4, 6 electron, right? Here 6 electron, here 10 electron, therefore 16 electron plus 1 plus 2 electron, 18. Okay, this is what? This is a total 18 electron configuration. This is 18 electron. This is a very closed and stable configuration. Please note, it provide the closed electron configuration, the closed and stable configuration, okay, very simple. First, okay, we have to apply what? Listen, if you knew the electron count, apply the electron count to calculate the 18 electron complex. Okay, now going to discuss some metal atoms. Okay, please note metal atom, very important. Scandium and ytterbium and lanthanum, one series, right? Similarly, titanium, zirconium, hafnium, we have to know this series. Then vanadium, niobium, tantalum. Okay, then chromium, molybdenum, tungsten. What is other thing? Magnesium, technetium, rhenium, and Fe, Fe, ion, Ru, ruthenium, oxonium. You have to know this cobalt, then rhodium and iridium, right? What's this thing I write here? Okay, then nickel, palladium, platinum. Then copper, silver and gold, Au. Then zinc, mercury, cadmium, mercury. Okay, this is D black element. Now you know what is valence electron for this configuration. This is 3d1 4s2, right? Upper 3 electron. This is 3d2 4s2, therefore 4 electron, right? How to most electron I'm telling. Okay, this is a series. How can memorize? This is okay, CMW core, chromium, molybdenum, tungsten. MTC bus, MTR, magnesium, technetium. Okay, this way you can memorize this series. Without knowing this element, we cannot find out 18 electron complex. Okay, now going to start one by one. Okay, I'm going to discuss 20 questions. Okay, let's start the first question. See the first question. What is the given? Listen, I'm going to only neutral method. Okay, for neutral method, no need to calculate oxidation state of metal atom. Okay, no need. Directly you put the total electron count to find out the value. Okay, very simple. Let's start the first question. Okay, now see manganese. How many electron count you know very well? Manganese. This configuration is 3d5 4s2, right? Therefore, you know how many electron? 7 electron. Put 7 electron, right? Good. In CS3, how many electron? 1 electron donor in neutral method, right? And CO2 and 2 electron donor. Therefore, 1. The how many? 2 into 5. But 2, 5 are 10. 10 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 1, 18. Okay, this is 8 electron complex. Understand? Manganese configuration 3d5 4s2. Therefore, 5 plus 2, 7 electron. CS3 is 1 electron donor because put 1. And CO is 2 electron, 2 into 5. But 2 into 5, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. Okay. For cobalt, this cobalt. What is called cobalt? 3d7 4s2, right? Therefore, how many electrons? This put 9 electron. Plus CP. What is CP? Cyclopentadiene anion, right? How many electron donor? We have 5 electron donor. Therefore, 5 into 2. Therefore, 10. Answer is 19 electron. Understand? Very simple. For this complex, rhodium. Gobal rhodium, right? Gobal rhodium, right? This Gobal family. What is configuration again? 37s2. Therefore, 9 electron, right? This triphenyl phosphine, 2 electron donor. This is 2 electron donor. Therefore, 2 into 3. Okay, Cl is 1 electron. This is Cl active terminal. If you act as terminal, how many electron? 1 electron donor, right? Put 1. Now, what is the value? 10. 10 plus is 16 electron donor. Okay, this is 16 electron complex. Go for this one. Ion. What is configuration? 3d6, 4s2. Therefore, 8 electron, right? 8 electron complex. This CO is 2 electron. Therefore, 2 into 5. Whenever the minor charge plus, okay, put the add 2. Therefore, this 10, 8 plus 10 plus 2. Therefore, what? 20 electron complex. Understand? Go for fifth question. Very simple. This is CP ligand, right? How many electron donor? 5 electron donor. Copper, what is configuration? 3d10, 4s1. Therefore, 11 electron plus 11. This is 2 electron, right? Therefore, how many electron? This will be 18 electron complex. Understand? In case of manganese, this is also CP ligand. This is CO what? Carbonyl ligand, right? Therefore, manganese configuration 3d5, 4s2. Therefore, 7 electron plus this is 5 electron and plus this 2 plus 2, 4 electron, right? What is the value? 7 plus 4, 7 plus 5, the 9 plus 7 what? It should be 16 electron complex. Okay, it should be what? The 16 electron complex. And go for 7th question, simple one. You can apply. This is very important because put the star. Listen, if NO, whenever the NO ligand is act as two different, one is linear manner, other is what? NO is act as bend manner. You have to understand, very important. Okay, there will be the two configuration, one be linear and bend. Suppose Na act as linear. Okay, linear means it should be 3 electron donor. Bend mean 1 electron donor. Okay. Now in the question they given nothing. Okay, they simply give NO. We have to know what 18 electron complex more stable compared to 16 electron complex. Okay. Now apply, let assume Na is equal NO is equal linear ligand. Okay. Now put what is chromium? 3d5, 4s1, right? Therefore 6 electron, 6 plus cobalt, sorry, CO on the carbonyl group, right? Upper 2 into 3, 6. Let assume is linear. Okay, 3 into 2 on the 6. Therefore answer is 18 electron complex. Let assume NO is bent. Okay, same. 6 for chromium and 6 for carbonyl. This is a 1 or 2, right? What is the answer? This will be 12 plus 4 what? 12 plus 2, right? How many electrons? Should be 14 electron complex, right? Understand? 14 electron. Therefore, which is more stable always? 18 is more stable. Therefore, this NO is act as what? Linear, not bent. Okay. Linear 3 electron donor, bend 1 electron donor. Okay, always NO in the aromatic compound. Okay, the maximum case NO is act as based on the electron count. Okay, if you put linear 3 electron count, if you obey 18 electron, the NO is bigger as linear. Okay, in case we put one electron for NO ligand, it obey 18 electron donor. That case is will be bent. It's based on what? The electron count for the complex. Okay, go for this question. This was a very important question. Okay, now CP, we know 5 electron count, right? 5. Ion, this should be 8 electron count, right? 8. This Gobal's carbonyl group, okay, 2 electron count. This triphenyl phosphine also 2 electron count. Now this CF2, please understand, CF2, how many electrons? Should be 2 electron donor. Okay, because 2, right? 2 electron donor. This is BH4 minus, right? This is BH4 minus. Therefore, which charge by plus charge percent? Therefore, it should be minus 1. Okay, this is 10. Then 10 plus 5, 15. Then our answer is what? This one, right? 3 should be answer is 18 electron complex. Understand? Listen, CF2 is 2 electron. CF3 is 1 electron, and CF4 that is not act as ligand. Understand? Very simple. And go forward. This question, 19th question. What is RU? Which family belong to RU? RU belong to ion family, right? Therefore, how many electron count? This should be what? It should be 8 electron count. Okay. This epicity 6. Put 6. Simple. 6 into 2. Then plus you have to subtract, right? Minus 2. Therefore, this 8 plus 12 and minus 2, answer is 18 electron complex. Understand? And go for 10th question. M1 CO6 plus. M1 is what? 3d5, 4s2. Therefore, 7 electron count. This is 2 electron, right? 2 into 6 and minus 1. Therefore, answer is this is 12 plus 6. Therefore, answer is 18 electron complex. Understand? Go for this question. Chromium CO5 2 minus. Okay. Chromium belong to what? 3d5, 4s1. Therefore, 6 electron count. So this is 2 electron, right? 2 into 5. Then put 2, right? 10, answer is 18 electron complex. Understand? Okay, this question number 12. The Fe belong to what? 8 electron count. This very simple question. It's 2 electron, 2 into 5, 10. Answer is what? 18 electron complex. Over this question. Manganese, it should be what? 7 electron count. And CO, carbonyl ligand is 2 electron count. And 2 into 4, 8. Cl is act as terminal. This will be 1 electron count. 1 into 2 way and plus 2 way. Right? The 7 plus 8 plus 2 way plus 3. What is that? Plus 2, right? Plus 2. Therefore, 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 7, it should be 19 electron count. Understand? For this question, it's very important. Manganese, it should be 7 electron count. This is 2 into 5, 10 electron count. This 1 electron. CH3 is 1 electron. Okay, similarly, okay, CF2 or CH3 and CCl3 are 1 electron count. What is answer? Answer is 18 electron count. Okay, go for next question. Okay, this is very important. This is previous jam question. This is jam question. Previous year, this also jam question. Okay, all are previous question only. Okay, now see, they are asking what? They are asking n value. Okay, let's see. Okay, ion, what is the value? It's 8 electron, right? 8 electron. This is carbon ligand, 2 into 4, again 8 electron. Then this is how many electron donor? Listen, silicon and Mi 3 times. Which electron? This is for 1 electron donor. Okay, similar to CH3. Therefore, 1 electron donor. So what is the value is given? 8 plus 8 plus 1. What is the answer coming? 8 plus 6, 6 plus 1, 17, right? The complex obey 18 electron. Then what is the value should be? This whole value should be or minus 1. Understand? And plus 1 is equal to 18. Okay. What is the value? It should be minus 1. Understand? Because this 8 electron, this go by 2 into 4, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. This one 17. This comes to obey 18 electron complex. Therefore, I put minus 1. Now, so obey what? 18 electron complex. Okay, go for this question. You're asking what? X value. The compound of 18 electron. Now, what is the copper configuration? It should be 3d10, 4s1, right? Yes, and therefore 11 electron. Okay, this one you put plus now minus 1, right? Therefore 10 electron. Then how many carbon we need? If we 18 now, we need 4, right? Because 4 into 2. Therefore 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 10. This is answer is 8. What is the answer for x? X equal to 4. Okay. They given the complex, they give the condition is obey 18 electron rule. We have to find out what? The value of x or value of either we can find out the value of ligand or we can find out the charge of the complex. Okay, 2 things as an exam. Okay, now this you can try this question. I go for this question. Okay, it's a very important question. Okay, this 3, 17, 19, 20 you can try and tell the answer in comment section. I'll go for 18 question. And tungsten, chromium, molybdenum, tungsten, right? What is chromium? Belong to, okay, chromium 3d5, 4s1, right? Therefore 6 electron count. This is eta 5 electron count. This mu, okay, this is mu2 bridge. Cl acts as what? 3 electron. Whenever the Cl acts as bridge, mu2 bridging, how many electron count? It should be 3 electron count. Therefore 3. And CO carbonyl, right? 2 into 4, 4 electron count. Okay, into 2. Because why put? Right. What is answer? Answer is nearly 36 electron count. Understand? Very simple. Okay. Now understand, right? NO. What are the important point? NO. We have to focus on NO ligand. This acts as linear as plus bended. Then Cl ligand. Cl is act as terminal, 1 electron count. This act as bridge. It should be 3 electron count. Okay. This way of question asking the previous year or JAM and CVC and other MSc interest. Okay. I hope you understand and thank you so much for watching and see you in a studio as soon as possible and tata bye bye.